In this video, we'll install comfyui on Ubuntu from a clean machine to a service that starts itself on boot. When it's done, this box runs comfyui without anyone logged in. Here's the whole install, start to finish. GPU check, clone, Python, PyTorch, first launch, then the service. First, make sure the machine can actually see the GPU. This box has an RTX 3090 on driver 595 with CUDA 13.2. Pull comfyui down from GitHub and step into the folder. Everything from here on happens inside it. I'm pinning Python 3.12. Create a virtual environment and activate it. Every package lands in this folder. Python 3.12, so the pin took. Now PyTorch from the CUDA index, so you get the GPU wheels. A plain install silently gives you CPU-only wheels. Then ask PyTorch if it can see the card. True means the GPU build is live, and the rest of comfyui's dependencies from the requirements file. This is the longest wait of the install. Launch with the listen flag, so other machines on the network can reach it. It finds the 3090 with 24 gigs of VRAM and the browser comes up on port 8188. Now make it a service, so comfyui survives reboots and runs without the terminal open. One systemd unit file. It runs main.py from the virtual environment, restarts if it dies, and starts it at boot. Reload systemd and enable the service. Now check the status, active and running. From here, the machine takes care of it. So that's comfyui on Ubuntu, running as a service. Drop a comment if you get stuck, and I'll see you in the next one.